A new Man of Tomorrow set video has hit the net and it may reveal Brainiac's fourth major threat against Metropolis. The footage shows David Consford suited up Superman standing over and punching Nicholas Holt's Lex Luthor, who is down on the street at the Green War suit. Superman strikes Lex as the scene payout, but the bigger reveal may come from what fans near the set reportedly overheard. According to fans who were nearby, a voice believed to be Brainiac could be heard issuing ultimatum to Metropolis. Attention citizens of Metropolis, I am your overlord. If you do not hand over Lex Luthor, I will blow up the city. The voice also reportedly says the city has 12 hours to reply. If accurate, the scene suggests Brainiac is not just attacking Earth; he wants Lex Luthor. The reported Brainiac threat, given the latest Man of Tomorrow set footage, add a lot more weight. Instead, a random Superman and Lex fight, the scene may be tied directly to Brainiac's arrival in Metropolis. If Brainiac is demanding Lex be handed over, that could explain why Lex is already in the war suit and why Superman gets dragged into the middle of it. Lex may have stolen something, he may have created something, he may know something Brainiac wants, or Brainiac may see Lex as Earth's top-minded and a threat, better and bigger than Superman rival or useful piece in whatever plan he has for Metropolis. The new footage shows Superman standing over Lex after the war suit end up on the street. Superman then beats down Lex while Lex is still inside the armor. It's not clear if this is a real fight between the two, a misunderstanding or part of a larger action scene involving Brainiac that matter because Man of Tomorrow is expected to feature Superman and Lex forced into an uneasy alliance against Brainiac. So this moment could happen before the team up after Lex does something that gets everyone in trouble or during a chaotic scene where Superman has to stop Lex from making things worse. Either way, the footage given fans the first look at Superman physically clashing with Lex in the war suit and Superman winning.